you close to the edge and you're pissed at your work, and the boss is just a jerk. From promises to preacher and nothing is neater, and I can't stand the church. Well, I have my opinion and I don't wanna win it now, I just have to work. Alright, I feel the whole world coming down on me. I feel the whole world coming down on me. Well, the judge and the jury, they thought they could school me and teach me the value of thrift. They put me inside on a 1, 2, 5 and I just had to quit. Well, early in the morning when we are bowling, I nearly had a fit. It came to my head and I just had to sing, gonna be nobody's bitch. I feel the whole world coming down on me. I feel the whole world coming down on me. Coming down, down on me. It's coming down, it's coming down, down, down on me. There's only one thing that I can do now, go lie in the sun. I'm gonna soak up the rays and burn myself black, cause cancer day has come. Everything you do to protect yourself, well, it ain't gonna happen right. You junkie pimps and motherfucking horse, enjoy yourself tonight, alright. I feel the whole world coming down on me. I feel the whole world coming down on me.